Matrix is nothing but an arrangement. It is an arrangement. Arrangement. Arrangement of what? Numbers. How the numbers are arranged. It is an arrangement of numbers which are arranged in rows and columns. Arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Determinant is also arrangement of rows of numbers in rows and columns. But in determinant, the rows and columns are same. Matrix is an arrangement of number in rows and columns, but in between these two brackets, this or what is the another notation? This is the rectangular bracket. Numbers are arranged in rows and columns. The question arises, examples of this matrices are, take some numbers, arrange them in rows and columns. Rows and columns. The word is used, rows and columns. Horizontal lines are called the rows. The verticals are called columns. You are familiar with these. Now, if I write 1, 2, minus 9, 7. So, it has two rows, first row, second row, first column, second column. So, two rows is written as 2 and the column is written as 2 by 2. So, this is one of the examples. Again, when you take the matrix of 3 rows and 3 columns, here we have 1, 2, 4, minus 9, 8, 5, any numbers, 100, 6, 2. These are the numbers. Now, this is the first row, R1. This is the second row, R2. This is the third row, R3. This is the first column, C1. This is second column, C2. This is column, C3. So, first number of rows, 3, number of columns, 3. Now, if we have another type example of matrix, matrix is nothing but arrangement of numbers 1, 2, 5, 4, 15, 8. Now, see the number of rows R1, R2. See the number of columns C1, C2, C3. So, 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. The first is for row and the second is for number of columns. The first number 2 by 3. When we go forward again, if we have so many matrices, if I have this 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, then here number of rows 1, 2, 3. The arrangement of matrices in 3 by 2 rows. 3 rows and 2 columns. This is a matrix. Now, if I consider another matrix, see here I have the matrix, different matrices I will have. See here I have 1, 5, 7, 8, 9 or 1, 5, 7. Consider only 2. Now how many rows? R1, R2, R3. But how many columns? Only one column. So how many rows? 3 rows. How many columns? 1 column. Now if we consider another matrix, so many matrices are there. Arrangement of numbers. 8 minus 9 minus 7. How many rows? Only 1 row. How many columns? 3 columns. 1 into 3. So this is a matrix. And these numbers are called elements of matrices. If I consider a matrix with all numbers 0, 2 by 2, If I consider a matrix 1 by 2, all numbers are 0. If we consider the matrix with all numbers of 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 matrix. If we consider the matrix with 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, it is 3 by 2. First row, second row, third row, first column, second column, 3 by 2. Now this 3 by 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 3, these are called the order of the matrix. Number of rows into number of columns is called the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. So in general, this is the order of the matrix. Consider one of the examples. 5, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4. Then order is 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 by 2. The order of the matrix is 3 by 2. Order of the matrix. Number of rows multiplied by number of columns means 3 by 2. Not the complete multiplication 6. You will not count it as a 6. So 3 rows and 2 columns. It suggests 3 rows and 2 columns. In general, if you have so many matrices, if I have this matrix 1, 5, 7, then how many rows? It has 1 row and how many columns? 3 columns. 1 by 3. It has only 1 row. The order is 1 by 3. Order is 1 by 3. Now, in general, when you took order of the matrix, so we have seen what is matrix? Arrangement. Matrix is an arrangement of numbers. Arrangement of numbers means matrix. These numbers are called as elements of matrix. Elements. These numbers are called elements of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. So numbers को क्या कहते हैं? Elements of the matrix. And this arrangement is in terms of the arrangement जो है, the arrangement is in terms of rows and columns. So number of rows say m, and number of columns say n. So order will be m by n. Order of the matrix is m by n. If m and n are equal, then order is m by n or n by n. See here. If you have the matrix 1, 2, 2, 4, then it is 2 by 2, m by m or n by n. M and n are equal. Here m and n are equal. So 2 by 2, order of the matrix. Elements of the matrix. So 1, 2, 4, minus 9. What are the elements? 1, 2, 4 and minus 9. These are the elements. Now the question arises, if I have the another matrix here, 1, minus 9, 4, 2. Now it also has the same element 1, 4, minus 9, 2. And it also has the same element 4, minus 9, 2. These two matrices have the same element, same number of elements and the same element. But these two are different matrices. Now these two are different matrices because of what? So let us consider the place of element of the matrix. Place of element of the matrix. Each element's matlab number. Each element's matlab number is in a perfect place. Numbers are in a proper place. In a proper place. At the proper place. At the proper place. In the matrix. Elements are at the proper place. The numbers are always at that proper place. See here, what are the places of elements? Places of elements. Elements matlab number. Now a new way to tell me places of elements. Here, if you have this number in the first row and first column, number in the first row and first column, it is the first row and first column, 1, 1, and is generally denoted by A11, number in the first row and first column. If the number in the first row and second column, it is 1, 2, A12. General notation is Aij, Aij. I is for, the suffix I is for row number, and the suffix J is for column number. First suffix is for row and second suffix is for column. पहला जो सफिक्स है वो रो के लिए है एंड दूसरा जो सफिक्स है वो कॉलम के लिए है. फर्स्ट सफिक्स एंड सेकंड सफिक्स. So concentrate on it. First suffix A11, A12. Let me consider second row A21, A22. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2. In general, it is written as the same matrix Aij, Aij 2 by 2. मतलब I will be considered up to 2 rows and J will be considered up to 2 columns. So this is a general way of writing the places. This is the place. Place A11 must first row, first column. A12 means first row, second column. A21 means second row, first column. A22 means second row, second column. Means each place is its significance. Next, we have any general matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. How many rows it has? 2 rows. How many columns it has? 3 columns. The order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Order is 2 by 3. What is the general is? General notation. Aij 2 by 3. Means I will be 1 to 2 and J will be 1 to 3. It means, so this is the places of elements. Each element of the matrix is at proper place. You can change its place by whatever you require, but it requires some rules. Without rules, you cannot change any place. The one place is not changed, but you can replace any row by another row and you can be interchange. But it requires some different cases. It requires the problems and so many things. So that what we require will give you the change. So here we have seen the matrix is an arrangement of numbers. Then these numbers are called the elements. Elements have the places. The places are denoted by Aij. I is for row number and J for column number. If I want a number in the second row and third column, so I will have, it will be A23, the notation A23. And matrix has an order. What is the order? Order is M by N. M is the number of rows and N is number of columns. Every matrix is with some order. Always a matrix has order. So matrix has elements. Now matrices are denoted by capital letters. What are these? A, B, C, X, Y, P, Q, R, S, Z. So many letters. Any one of the letters और सभी. मैट्रिक्स को डिनोट करने के लिए समझो हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स है. This will be denoted by here. This is a notation. So it is 2 by 3 matrix. And A is its notation. If I consider the matrix 4, 5, 8, 9, 7, 8, the order is 3 by 2 matrix B. If I consider the matrix 1, 2, 3, it is 1 by 3. This is the matrix. If I consider the notation, कुछ भी हो सकता है, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. X will be minus 5, 8, 9. I am taking different matrices for our observation. If we take the notation O equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, order is 2 by 2. If I took the notation I is equals to 1, 0, 0, 1, 2 by 2. So many matrices are there and their notations are there. So we have seen the notation for matrices. Numbers of the matrices are called elements. If the places are Aij, first suffix is for row, second suffix is for j, and order of matrix. And matrix is arranged in such a type of bracket. Now, rectangular matrices. There are two basic types. Rectangular, to understand, not for syllabus. Rectangular and square matrices. There are two basic types. Now, rectangular matrix means the number of rows and number of columns is not same. Like the definition of rectangle. Square matlab number of rows and number of columns are same. M is not equal to N. M is equal to N. Means number of rows and number of columns are same. Matrix is a different topic. Matrix will be helpful in solving the equations of determinants. So we started the new chapter. Yes, पहले बताया मैंने. We are going to start the new. Hello. You got it? Now, if the number of rows and number of columns are same, then it will become a square matrix. And if the number of rows and number of columns are not same, then it becomes a rectangular matrix. Here I have this matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of rows is 2, number of columns. It is a rectangular matrix. Now, but in place of this, if I write this 2 by 2, it is a square matrix. If I consider 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, minus 9, 7, 4, 3 by 3, if the order is 3 by 3, then it will become a square matrix. So basic difference is that square and rectangular matrices. Basic. So, and then we go towards what type of matrices are there. This is the basic difference. एक में ऑर्डर में नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम सेम हो सकते हैं. मतलब दो तरह के ऑर्डर हो गए. ऑर्डर विल बी m by n. मतलब m and n इक्वल नहीं होंगे. एंड अनदर ऑर्डर विल बी m by m और n by n. मतलब ये दोनों इक्वल है. जैसे 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 1 by 1, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 ऑर्डर हो गए. और इसमें कैसे होगा 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 4 by 5, 5 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. M and N are not equal. So rectangular matrices and square matrices. Very important thing. It will make clear about the different types of matrices. This matrices because of arrangement of numbers. Now, the basic question is, if the order of the matrix is 2 by 3, very simple question, 2 by 3, so how many numbers are there? How many elements are there? The number of elements will be automatically 6. If the order of the matrix is 3 by 2, then how many elements will be there? The number of elements is again 6. Though there are 6 elements in both the matrices, but their arrangement and their places are different. If we take the same 6 number also, but because it is 2 by 3, 3 by 2, and it's the places, means Each matrix is different from other matrix by means of what? Its order, दो number of elements अगर same भी है तो. Then again the places in which the numbers are arranged. So there will be with the same 6 elements, you will have so many matrices. You can make same with so many matrices. So you got the idea of matrix. So according to the syllabus, what are the types of matrices and what is the general notation of matrix? A equals to Aij m by n. M or n may be equal, may not be equal. If m equals to n, then square matrix. But if m is not equal to n, then rectangular matrix. Our rectangular matrix. Now, Aij, matlab any suffix. First is for I is for row, J is for column. M denotes the number of rows, and N denotes the number of columns. So when we write it in expansion form, how to write it? Very simple. Aij will be A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, 3 by 3 matrix. If I take the another row, that is 3 by 2, different m by n. M और n आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है और गिवन मैट्रिक्स है. If all m and n you have to write, then how will you write all m and n? A11, A12, A13. How many columns? N columns. Up to last A1n, last number of columns. A21, A22, A23. Up to how many columns? A2n. A31, A32, A33. Up to how many columns? A3n. अब इधर आएंगे. A31, A41, A51, A61. How many last row? What is the last row? Last row is mth row, AM1, पहला column. फिर A41, A42 up to AM2, up to AM3, up to AMN. So here, all these elements, number of the row and number of the column same. इसका row number and column number same है, row number and column number same है, row number and column number same है. Aij I equals to j. ये जो नंबर है Aij I equals to j, इसका इनको कहते हैं elements of diagonal elements or principal diagonal elements. These are diagonal or principal diagonal elements. These are diagonal or principal diagonal elements. इनको हम कहते हैं डायगोनल या प्रिंसिपल. A1 ये इनको हम कहते हैं बस एक ही डायगोनल है इसके लिए, वो स्क्वायर हो या रेक्टेंगल कुछ भी टाइप का हो. तो mm by n. आगे जाएंगे बताएंगे हम आगे. ये है प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट. अगर m और n इक्वल है तो स्क्वायर, तो बाकी में की जरूरत नहीं. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का पढ़ाई आपको ज्यादा रहता है. तो प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल एलिमेंट. ये जो एलिमेंट है ऊपर से और इधर नीचे, इनमें देखिए ये रो नंबर है, ये कॉलम नंबर है, रो नंबर है, कॉलम नंबर. ये रो नंबर कॉलम नंबर इक्वल है. इधर कॉलम नंबर ग्रेटर है, ये कॉलम नंबर ग्रेटर वाले हैं, मतलब J इज ग्रेटर देन I, कॉलम नंबर ग्रेटर है. अभी आप समझ लो, J मतलब सेकंड सफिक्स ग्रेटर है. अभी इसमें देखो A21, A31, ये नीचे. अब जब इधर आते हो ये डायगोनल से, तो इसमें रो बढ़ता है, तो इधर I इज ग्रेटर देन J, नंबर ऑफ रो बढ़ता है. आपको याद रखना, इधर आते हो तो रो बढ़ता है, ऐसे जाते हो तो कॉलम का नंबर बढ़ता है. कॉलम का प्लेस, फर्स्ट प्लेस, सेकंड प्लेस, थर्ड नंबर कुछ भी हो, वट एवर में नंबर 0 भी होगा. वो नंबर को नहीं बोल रहे, आप उसके प्लेस के बारे में बोल. तो आगे ज़्यादा जरूरी नहीं. The order is m by n. When I and j are equal, they are called the principal diagonal element. और अपर वाले और लोअर वाले एलिमेंट के लिए आपको ध्यान रखना है. आगे देखेंगे डिफरेंस में. अभी नेक्स्ट है टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, और ये एक स्पेशल टॉपिक है मैट्रिक्स का. बट मैट्रिक्स में आता है. पहला मैट्रिक्स का टाइप होता है, पहला टाइप सिर्फ रो है, उसमें सिर्फ एक रो होती है, ओनली वन रो. रो मैट्रिक्स मतलब सिंगल रो मैट्रिक्स, हैविंग ओनली वन रो. सिर्फ एक ही रो है, इस कॉल्ड द रो मैट्रिक्स. रो, वन रो. A11 first row first column. Generally the matrix is Aij. AI नहीं, A1J only, because there is only one row and J is from, the order is 1 to n. J is from 1 to n. जैसे J1 2 3 थर्ड कॉलम तक, J2 सेकंड कॉलम तक. इस मैट्रिक्स को हम कहते हैं रो मैट्रिक्स. रो मैट्रिक्स हैज ओनली वन रो. इस तरह का होता है. A11 A12 सिर्फ रो में लिखेंगे आप नंबर. A13 जो मैट्रिक्स है अप टू A1n जो लास्ट कॉलम है कॉलम नंबर. तो ऑर्डर इज 1 by n. जिसका रो नंबर एक ही रो है उसे कहते हैं रो मैट्रिक्स. मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन रो इज कॉल्ड अ रो मैट्रिक्स. अब सेम कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. क्या है कॉलम मैट्रिक्स? जैसे रो है वैसे कॉलम मैट्रिक्स. कॉलम मैट्रिक्स, कॉलम मैट्रिक्स में ओनली वन कॉलम, वट एवर में बी द रो. सिर्फ एक ही कॉलम है. देखो 1 4 वन कॉलम है, 2 रो है. सेकंड सफिक्स जो है वो चेंज नहीं होगा. 2. अगर हम लिखते हैं -8 7 माइनस में और 5, तो ये होगा 1/3, 3/1. 3 रोज एक कॉलम, ओनली वन कॉलम. मैट्रिक्स हैविंग ओनली वन कॉलम. इन जनरल इट इज AI1. मतलब पहला सफिक्स बदलता है, आपका रो नंबर बदलता है. AI1. दूसरा सफिक्स कैसे रहेगा? I. M/1. ऑर्डर इज M/1. ऑर्डर इज M/1. आपको याद रखना है. इसकी ऑर्डर है 2/1, इसकी ऑर्डर है 3/1 कॉलम मैट्रिक्स में. इन जनरल हाउ वी राइट द कॉलम मैट्रिक्स? कॉलम में सिर्फ एक ही कॉलम होता है. तो A11, अब नीचे आ गए तो रो बदल गया. A21 और नीचे आए तो रो बदल गया. देखिए नीचे आते समय रो बदलता, राइट साइड जाते, लेफ्ट साइड जाते तो कॉलम चेंज. अप टू AM1. M/1 is the order of matrix. M/1 row matrix, column matrix. Numbers can be arranged in row or column matrix. Very important, these are the two methods. और एक में सिर्फ एक रो होता है और दूसरे में सिर्फ एक कॉलम होता है. When you have the matrix, you must know that what type of matrices are there. There are so many types of matrices. You must know the suffixes used in the matrices. आपको मैट्रिक्स में जो सफिक्स यूज हुए हैं वो सब कुछ मालूम चाहिए. इफ यू डोंट नो द सफिक्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, मतलब I for what, J for what, M for what, N for what, column matrix, row matrix. Again, one of the matrix is important, that is the zero matrix. Zero matrix means all elements are zero, whatever may be the order. सभी एलिमेंट जो है वो जीरो है, इसे कहते हैं जीरो मैट्रिक्स. इसका नोटेशन ये जीरो जैसा वो है, समझो ये 0 0 है, नहीं तो दूसरा ये 0 0 है, नहीं तो और तीसरा ये। अलग अलग ऑर्डर में 0 0 मैट्रिक्स हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग ऑर्डर में, सभी ऑर्डर का आप जितने चाहिए, जरूरी नहीं सिर्फ इतना ही, ये 0 0, ये भी 0 0 है 1/2, फिर ये 0 0, ये भी 0 मैट्रिक्स है, इसका रो कॉलम नहीं है, ये 0 मैट्रिक्स है, अलग अलग स्पेस में जहाँ जैसे चाहिए। When all elements are zero, the matrix is a zero matrix. So all types of zeros required in the calculation we have taken zero matrix. It is also called as a null matrix. Zero matrix is also called as a null matrix. अभी हमारा मेन जो पार्ट है वो है टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस में स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। बस ये तीन इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक है रो कॉलम, जीरो तो सब में ऑर्डर में होता है, रेक्टेंगुलर मतलब स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में, और फिर रहता है हमारा मेन टाइप है स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में m इक्वल टू n मतलब ऑर्डर होती है 2/2, 3/3, 4/4, m/m या n/n। नंबर ऑफ द रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ कॉलम सेम, नंबर ऑफ रोज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ कॉलम, मतलब 1 2 3 है तो 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 हो गए तो 1 2 3 4 हो गए, 5 हो गए तो ये भी 5 हो गए, 6 हो गए तो ये भी 6 हो गए, जितने नंबर ऑफ रोज है उतने नंबर ऑफ कॉलम। तो सवाल आता है तो हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स इन द स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स हैज, और उसका जो ऑर्डर रहता है वो रहता है n/n और m/n, कुछ भी m/n। समझे मेरे पास मैट्रिक्स है, इसका ऑर्डर है 2/2, ये है 2/2, हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट, इट हैज 4 एलिमेंट। स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स और डिटर्मिनेंट थोड़े बहुत कुछ हद तक सेम है। डिटर्मिनेंट में नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन रोज एंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन कॉलम, और रो नंबर एंड कॉलम नंबर सेम होते हैं डिटर्मिनेंट में। जैसे मैट्रिक्स सिर्फ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में इक्वल होते हैं, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स। तो देयर आर सो मेनी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स, 1 2 4 -9 -8 5 -2 4 5। So this is a 3/2 square matrix. Again we will see some square matrices. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स में हम जब आगे जाओगे तो बहुत सारे मैट्रिक्स होंगे। अब मेरे पास जो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 8 9, तो व्हाट इज द प्लेस A12 के जगह कौन सा नंबर है? A12 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम, द नंबर इज 3, A13। A13 कौन सा है?
Please rejoin again. All the members, please rejoin again. Approximately 30 seconds we have.
स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स